Hi everybody, hola a todos. Excuse my mess. I'm trying to organize my makeup, as you can see here, and I haven't done my latest iPSy bag, which I think was MaY. Tengo un desastre aquí, estoy queriendo organizar mi maquillaje y como no he hecho esta bolsita y ya quiero guardarla, voy a hacer esta bolsita de iPSy de mayo, which is probably my last one, unless I forgot to cancel again. I don't know. But after this video, I'm really gonna cancel. I always forget. Thyroid issues make you forget a lot, so. So yeah, esta es mi última bolsa, si es que no se me olvidó cancelar de nuevo. Ya como algunos saben, los problemas de tiroides a veces te hacen olvidar cosas, te dañan muchos espacios de tu vida, pero en fin. Esta es la bolsita. This is the iPSy bag right here. It's like a vacation ticket kind of thing. It has like vacation, passport stamps and stuff, I think. Or is it mailing stamps? Creo que son de esos de correo. Estampados de correo. So let me see if there's anything else in here. So let's open it up with one hand. Lo estoy abriendo con una mano. Okay. And here's a paper it comes with, el papelito con el que viene. It says go there. So yeah, it is kind of like a traveling stamps then. I guess for the suitcases, I don't know. And that's what it sits back here. If you guys want to see, just go ahead and hit pause. Está lo que dice ahí. Si quieren leer, solamente pongan pausa. So let's see what's in here. This is Kenzie. This is a, I've never heard of this brand, and I just noticed it matched my watch box. It's a watch my husband gave me on our anniversary. I'll put a picture on here somewhere. I love that watch. And this perfume, it's a perfume. And this perfume is their brand as well, and it comes with the coupon inside. Vienen con un cuponcito for 50% off. This is limited time offer. I don't know if it's online. Yeah, it's online. It's for online. Let me get it out. And it's a little sample. This is what it looks like. It's Kenzie Loving Life, and this is a 0.34 fluid ounce. Se llama Kenzie Amando la Vida. Es un contenedor de 0.34 onzas fluidas. And, ok. Viene en forma de spray. Vamos a sprayar. Sprayar la cajita. Huele riquísimo. It smells real. Oh my god. I want this perfume. It smells really, really good. Oh my gosh. You guys, it smells so good. I don't even know how to explain the smell, but it's so good. I love it. I love it. So it comes with that little box. The coupon in there as well. And then it comes with, it came with this brush. No con esta brochita. I'm trying to make out what it says. I'm blind as bat. Something glam. I think something Miss Glam. And it's, makeup is not new to me, but I stopped doing it for a while, and there's so much new stuff. I'm still learning. And I don't know what this brush would be for, so let me open it up. Trying to pull it out. It's real pretty. It has two rhinestones, and it looks like a blending eyeshadow brush. I could be wrong. You guys correct me if I'm wrong. Parece brocha como para desvanecer la sombra. Estoy hablando de cuando me enseñaron a mí maquillar. Hoy las cosas son nuevas y son diferentes. Corríjanme si estoy mal, pero viene con esa brochita. Muy bonita. And then this thing called D's New York Organic Infused Liquid, nail polish, liquid lacquer, nail lacquer, sorry. And here it is. It's a real pretty color. I'm trying to get it to focus, you guys. I'm on my bed, so real pretty color. It's 11 millimeters. This one's called Oh Cabana Boy. It's a real pretty, like, I want to say periwinkly color. Real pretty. So yay, that one's awesome. I wish that would go in there with one hand, but it won't, so I'll fix it later. And then I got soft matte lip cream from NYX. Este es crema para el labio, dice aquí. It's called Cairo, se llama Cairo. And it's 8.27 fluid ounces. 0.27 onzas fluidas. Forgive me, I'm opening everything in one hand and with the help of my teeth. Oh, that hurt. Ugh. Let me put the phone down real quick. Sorry. There we go. Sorry. So, there, I opened it. So I'm doing this with one hand. This looks really, really creamy. It's real, kind of like a nude peach tone. Real pretty. Not my type of color. I'll probably give it to my daughters. So yeah, that's that. And then, last but not least, this is Pop Goes the Shadow. So it's an eyeshadow. It's mermaid teal. Es una sombra que se llama turquesa de sirena. Bueno, no turquesa, pero yo no sé cómo se diría teal en español. Estoy tratando de abrirlo. Real pretty color. Love it. Muy bonito. So yeah, that's what I got in my iPSy bag for May. Thanks again for watching. Gracias a todos por mirar. Hugs, kisses, and squeezes. Besos, abrazos y apretones. I got some nail videos coming up. I'm sorry for the delay. I'm just trying to get the rhythm of the kids being here for summer and stuff. And I'm like the taxi of the house because my son works, my husband works, and my daughter works. And they're all different hours, so I'm just being a taxi. But there will be videos coming up. I'm just getting the hang of it, like I said. Probably not as much as I do during the school year, but I will be putting at least 1 or 2 during the week. Pensen que estoy tardando en subir videos, solo que pues ya son vacaciones, estoy agarrando el ritmo de que mis hijos estén aquí y poder grabar. Aparte, mi hija trabaja, mi esposo trabaja y mi hijo mayor trabaja y soy taxi de todos. Y estoy queriendo agarrar el ritmo de en qué horario me puedo sentar yo a grabarles. No les prometo tanto como cuando están en la escuela, pero sí intentaré por lo menos 1 o 2 videos a la semana durante el verano. Ya venga agosto, pues ya, otro ritmo diferente con un poco más de videos. Bueno, gracias de nuevo a todos por mirar. Thanks again everybody for watching. Hugs, kisses and squeezes. Besos, abrazos y apretones. Y los veo la próxima. Bye. Dios me los bendiga. God bless.